Hello everyone. I will do this session in English. But okay. Well, in this session, I will try to understand the solution of this problem. It's the problem number 30, substring with concatenation of all words. Only for explained a little bit. Is basically we have a few words here in the array words A, B, C, D, E, F, and we need find the index of the substrings that contains this a substring that contains all the words in any order, basically in any permutation, but it's necessary that contains all. Yeah. And I tried it previously, but I got a time limit exceed. Yeah. And I have two solutions that I like it. The first is that is this, and the another solution is what is I feel that is this. No. Oh my god. What is the other solution? Even I print. What is the solution? No, this is another solution. Okay, I think is this. Okay, we can use this. I'm not sure why appeared these imports. Maybe because it's necessary for this. Okay, and now let me, I will remove this and this and this and this, and now okay. It's only one function. Yeah, it's only one function. Okay, got it. Okay, now. Okay, now we have this is the input. This is the string S that contains these letters, and this is the array with the words that we should use for validate if the substring contains all these words. Yeah, and let me try to understand how works this solution. Got it. Now the first that is receive the string and the words. Okay, it's okay. We need to create a list with the result, because we need to return the index of the where appear these substrings for the left index. For example, in this case appear here and here. It's bar full bar. Yeah, it's basically in this case the answer is 0, and well, do you imagine 9, for example? Yeah, do you imagine this is the 9? Yeah, this is the result. This list means this result. Now when it asks is it's equal null, but it's possible have as a null in the string? No. For this reason, it's necessary to check the constraints, because, for example, in this case, is don't make sense this validation, because the first point is S never will be a null, and the word is the same, at least have one element. Yeah, it's not necessary this. Okay, got it. In this case, we need to ignore this validation. Yeah. Next one is that the word of the length. Basically, what is the length of these words? In this case, is 3. Word count, how many words we have. This basically is the length. In this case, is 2, and total length is basically what is the size of the substring that contains all the word. Is multiply the size of the word for the frequency of the words. In this case is 3 multiplied for 2, it's 6. Yeah, this is the size, even if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. I forget check Twitch. Okay, nice. Now, okay, this is the size, these elements. Okay. Now the next step is create the mapping of these values. Basically, is map how many times appear. For example, full appear one time and bar appear one time. Yeah, with this this is basically this map. Okay, now we only need to go through word length different start points. Okay, and we have left, we have right, and we have 0. Got it? L right count 0. Okay. Now please I will move here. And increase let me delete this and this. Okay, now we have this. In this we it's a for between 0 and word length 3. I still don't understand why word length, because word length means that 3, but why? Okay, because in other solution use the same rule, the word length, but I still don't understand why. Yeah, sorry, here is 1 and 1. Okay, 0, 2, 3. Well, let's minus 3, that means 2. Okay, it's okay. Here got it. We need to create a map. Okay, now the next step is a while right plus word length, that it's 3. It's minor of the s dot length. Okay, this case is 0, word length is 3, and the length it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. If the right plus word length it's minor to s dot length, yeah. String word it's equal substring of the right, that it's 0 to word length. basically with this we can take the first three elements, yeah, because for example 0 is 0, right is 0 and word length is 3. If we add the index here is 0, 1, 2, 3, but in this case this function of named substring, the first parameter is included in the result, but the last parameter that means this position is not included in the final result. For this reason is excluded and only stay here, yeah, with the bar. Okay, now okay, we obtain the word bar, and next to is right plus equal the length. Okay, in this case right it's equal 0 plus 3 it's equal 3. Got it. Now we should validate if the word map contains this word. Yeah, it's contained, it's here. Okay, now what happened in this case? In this case we have another map and we need add. Okay, bar add in the new map that it's here. Okay, it's basically a copy. With this copy we can follow the result that appear in every substring. Okay, now we have this. Now the next that is, okay, is contained add. In every iteration, in this case only we have two iterations. In the first iteration counter it's equal 0, but now counter it's equal 1. Yeah, even I have this counter here. Let me update it. Sorry, the English is not my first language. It's a little complicated for me, more with the algorithms. But well, okay, counter increasing 1. And next to is if there are more words that need slided windows. Okay. Okay. Basically with this, if for example we have bar and full, but this is my second word bar, yeah, means that it's greater, yeah, we have more elements of this word, and in this case we need slide the windows until have the right number or the right frequency of this word, you know. Yeah, basically apply this and this. Okay, and con less. Okay, now if the window contains all the words, else I still don't understand why only we need for each this only with the word length. Why only 2? No, 3, sorry. Why? I don't catch why. Yeah, because in this case it's here, but why? We only need different estamos. We only need to go through word length different start points. I still don't understand why. I'm not sure if you have an idea why. Okay, let me check my solution because I have this solution, but it's not right solution obviously. Works but is not efficient. Is this? This. And I use this, but in this case I have this, but let me try to check in. Word link. Obviously, no, doesn't work. Okay. Absolutely. Right. Word link. Es que sigo sin entender específicamente la parte que no entiendo. Sorry, I forget I was speaking English, but specifically that the part I still without understand is exactly this for. Why until word length and no word length multiply for the, in this case for example word length is 3 and the words we have it's 2 is 6, why don't 6? Pues no, sigo. I still don't understand. The answer of the leetcode is So check, and here check the index. We create this substring, get to the default 0, remain word use it's equal k, word use equal k, answer. Substring size plus 1 n less substring size. What is the substring size? Yeah, in this case use a similar algorithm that me, but oh my god, what is my sorry. This is my code. I know it is wrong with the last, only with the last. Here works, but in the submit I got this exception, time limit exceed. Yeah. Now I am trying to fix it, and it's okay size word, it's minor to L. No, this is not here. Oh, what? In the morning I joined this. Okay. Well, it's so similar this answer to the leetcode answer, but here even I will execute the, because it's so similar. Come on. But in this case, if the substring hash map remains, in this increase 1 by 1, find substring n, that n is the size, s1 plus 1 plus 1. It's because, yeah, it's 1 because here don't have the equal. Yeah, it's basically the same. It's also similar. I don't understand why my solution have this exception with the time, and I don't want to execute or send this solution because I don't like the idea to. Currently, all my problems that I have is are problems that I resolve for myself. Yeah, I am trying to don't send or don't submit code that I don't understand or I don't do for myself. Yeah. Now here, this is my function. Receive the index basically. And receive the string, complete the string, the counter, word count, yeah, I use a copy too. Word use, what is word use? I think that is words. it's word use. Here words use is basically my C, my counter. Yeah, I start with I. It's I plus. Oh damn. No, it's okay. This done. I was checking this, but no. For the other operation of this is basically the first is the multiply this element, and next to is this add operation. Okay. It's so similar my solution to the leetcode solution, but why in my case I received this exception? Remain cake or the false sub. It's different 0 or graded 0 remains put. Return false. The only difference is basically the break. I really don't understand. Yeah, but is it exactly the same code? Let me check the solution here. Check all the indices using hash table. The complete first analysis. I don't want to submit this code, but I have the curiosity to know if this code works when it's submit. Now the solution with the slimming windows prefers approach could repeat a lot of computation, but this is the solution of the using the slimming windows. Find Substring. Why word link? In this case means that this for is repeat only 3 times. For the case, for example, this, the word size or the word length is 3. Means that this is repeat 3 times, only 3 times, sorry. Yeah. The first with the index 0. Maybe I understand why. Okay. Okay, now let me delete that. Okay. If the for it's execute only 3 times, and the first time it's execute when it start here, and next to when it start here, and next to when it start here, Oh, yeah, makes sense. Because, for example, you have this word, yeah, the size of the word is 3, yeah, it's okay. If we try to, yeah, if we have, for example, the size is 3 of the this word, and the first time, let me use different colors, right? The first is here. The first time if we start checking the words from 0, like this, for example, bar, full, okay, it's horrible. Sorry, here, bar, okay, full, and the jumps are 3 by 3. In this case, bar and full, okay, now it's a success substring. The first answer is 0. Got it. Now the next is the. No, don't exist. The next is full, okay. We start a new substring here. The next two is bar, okay. Bar is the second word, means that we can add, in this case I think that it's 9. Okay, now the next is man, and it's enough until this moment. But what happens when, for example, you have here D, yeah? If we start with the first word, it's not bar, it's DBA, yeah? In any moment we can get these indices, yeah? But it's brilliant use the size of the word for this, because basically, okay, when starting 0, basically I found these two elements. If we start here, for example, arf, no, odd, no, well, these words, yeah. In any moment we find a right substring, and the next one is with we start with the letter R, yeah. In this case here, it's a word, it's a right word, no, it's a right word, no, it's a right word, no. And with this we can avoid this option. Okay, I understand this conditional, why start in 0, why only need to execute this loop using the word length. I understand now. Okay, I will try to fix my solution, yeah, now with this new knowledge. Okay. I will start again. Okay, the first is, let me copy, oh my gosh. Okay, the first, let me copy these values. Okay, and next to, thanks for watching this transmission. Well, we have this. Now the first that is create a map. This map helps us to know the frequency of every word. In this case is hash map. Hash map, and the first element is a string, and next to is an integer. For the frequency map, it's equal new hash map, yeah. And the next is the different variables for define the length of the word, the length of the array, the length of the string, whatever. The first that is integer length string. It's equal is the length. Yeah. The next to integer word length. Word length. It's equal words in the index 0 dot length. Integer words length. No, it's so similar. Let me change here word size in array. No, word length here in words dot length. Yeah. Okay, got it. Now the next that again we need to apply this this for field or map. Yeah. In this case is string w words, and we need ask map dot contains key w, but in this case is not contained or doesn't exist. Basically we need create new. Here it's 0. But it's a simple map. In this case I can put directly using word a map.get or default. Yeah, in this case that doesn't exist, return the default and +1 all the time for have the frequency of the every word. Yeah, now the next that is for basically this function to search the valid substring. We have three options. In this case, for example, three options: start with the index 0, with the index 1, and with the index 2. Yeah. Integer I it's equal 0, meanwhile I it's minor to word length I plus plus okay. Sorry, I am publishing something in X. Okay. Now we have this. It's so brilliant. I like it. This solution because really is brilliant. But yeah. I got it. Now here is basically yeah. If is get no. What is get? Yeah, is valid substring. No, search search substrings, and we need add the index, and what else? Only the index. Yeah, and here is result.add the index because it's the first. But the real magic here is this function. Yeah, and this function return a boolean search in this integer index. Yeah, index. Come on, index. And the first is we need to move this as a global function, as a global variable, and is similar with the result, integer result, and here is result, it's equal new array list. Yeah, here result, and here is basically create a new hash map. This hash map is for emulate that every time that appear a new element or a new word is reduced in the copy map, and next to is this is only for not modify the real map that contains the real mapping. Yeah. Here is string integer. Yeah, it's integer map. It's equal new hash map. No, this is copy. Yeah, and here is the map. What is the map? The map that contains the real mapping. Yeah, in this case this. Next to is a counter, but let me here integer no frequency, no counter. What means counter? How many words we have or we should have in the substring. In this case basically it's only multiply the word, this counter is the array length. No, in this case I can avoid this with this array length. Yeah, and here it's integer counter, it's equal 0, and here return counter, it's equal to array length. Yeah, and in this case I will move over all the string integer I, it's equal index, meanwhile I it's minus 2 word length string. I will add this. No, I will need pass as a parameter the string because I need to apply this search over this. Yeah, here is basically s.length or s.length less this operation will, oh my god, here in is length substring multiply for word length, sorry, it's like this, and here is less this, it equal word length less this. Why? Because if we will to search a substring of the size 9, for example, or in this case 6, we only need for the string until the size of the string less 6, you know, because it's basically the last position for this I++, and here is okay, now we have this, and in this case the jump is not 1 by 1, is 3 by 3 plus equal word length, yeah. And here is if map no copy dot contains copy contains s dot, here is string w, it's equal s dot substring, here is I until I plus word length, yeah. This is the word, and we need as, okay, this word is contained in the map. Now get or default is much better this w, and obviously the default is 0, and this is better that 0. In this case, when happen this is counter plus 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 plus, okay, and obviously we need to reduce in copy dot put w map dot get w less 1, yeah. In the case that we don't have this, when we don't have this, basically is okay. Okay, now what happened when don't exist the word? Basically, is reset the copy with this, because for example, if we have this operation, let me show you here, yeah. And we start with the first, imagine that we have this, yeah, and we start here. Okay, the first word is x BA. Yeah, this word exists in the map? No. Okay, basically is restart the operation. Yeah. Now do you imagine that this is the word? Okay, bar exists. Yeah, reducing one in the map. Increase this counter in one and move on to the next three elements. Full exists in the map. Yes or exists. Okay, remove it and increase the counter. And in this case, we need validate when counter is equal to the array length. Yeah, when is this, basically we know that in this moment appear, and it's come on, result.add, it's I, and is reset all map. Yeah, because for example, if we have again this bar full, do you imagine that appear another bar here? No, in this case it's not right to replace this. No, this is wrong. In this case is right, but in this case isn't. For example, we start here bar is in the, do you imagine this is the map? Okay, the first word is bar is in the map. Yes or is in the map, appear one time. Okay, please remove one frequency. In this case is the complete word, and increase counter in one. Okay, counter it's equal 1, and move 3 elements, or the next word. In this case the next word is full. Full is in the map. Yes or is in the map, please remove it and add counter it's equal to. Yeah, and in this case, okay, counter that is true, it's equal the right length, that is true. Okay, please add. Okay, here I need to handle an extra index for example L. In this case L it's equal index, and when happen this, basically is index it's equal L, and L plus equal word length. Yeah, because for example bar full, okay, its counter it's equal to it's equal to a right length. Okay, add the L, that in this case is 0. Our answer currently is 0. Yeah, and L it's equal basically this. Move to the here is L. Yeah, in this position, and copy get or the foul, and in this case for example the next word is bar is greater than 0. No sir. Okay, we'll restart the map. I am near. I feel I am near to get the answer. okay, when for example find this basically is if map.contains, in this case it only contains key, the keyword map.put no, I got it. Here when no, come on, when we find yeah, here if array length multiply for the word length yeah, if L plus this it's equal I, no, I need to move these elements back because for example it doesn't matter the content, it's only for the size. 3, okay, now 6, when appear the new word basically we need to remove the first one and add the last, yeah, who know in which moment we need apply this operation is basically remove the first one, or in this case increase in the map the first one, if L plus array here it's L it's equal I plus 1, yeah, the next no plus word length because it's the yeah when it's not contained it's basically jump to the next, okay, but conquer is this I only need an extra conditional, but I don't know why I don't know how. Okay, if index 0 else when it's greater come on, I know I can, but I don't know how. Who know okay, for example, the first is foo, or bar, sorry, next to is foo, okay, it's completed the length, L plus equals word length, okay, to the next, but in the case that in any moment does, no, it's right in this way. Ah, my god, it's a string. Return result. Oh my gosh. Okay. In here, counter, we need to restart with 0. Okay. When happen this, basically counter is starting 0, and here too, counter it's equal 0. Come on, bro. I think that this is not necessary. In result dot add L, and here is L is wrong because the real index, no, yeah, it's L. What? Ha 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 ha. Word copy dot put. Why? If it's start in 0, we have this, and next to we have this. For example, start here, yeah, the next restart the map, and we start with the but I lose this. No, in this case it's no, I don't restart the map, it's okay. When it's 0, okay, we need to apply L, it's equal. I need this conditional, but I don't know what, how. I am near, I know. How else if, maybe here is an else if is contained but with 0, you know, copy get, well, in this case get or default it's equal 0. When it's 0, sorry, this one, when it is 0, no, this is wrong. contain it, okay, it's contain it, okay. It's 3 times, when I pick 2 times, barful, imagine that is this, the first, okay, reduce body 1, next to is this, and we need as the L that it's 0, and when we move to the next bar, here in this moment appear the sliding windows because I need reduce but how yeah, in this case, yeah, I can modify this, yeah, for get here is contains key, it's let me move this inside this, okay, and here we need apply the sliding windows while copy dot get w, meanwhile it's equal 0. In the case that it's 0, we need remove the first elements, no word, no, what happened when we don't have any element, yeah, no, it's okay, copy dot put here, oh my god, no, copy dot get, and here is a validation, the first that is L string new word, it's equal s dot substring with this starting in the index L and ending in the index L plus word length, and here is while copy dot get in L it's minor to I should be minor equal minor equal this is the new word, okay, and we need as copy dot contains contains key. If contains the key of the new word, means that copy dot put new word dot copy dot get new word plus 1 and counter less, yeah, with this basically we are moving in which moment word increase plus equal word length, okay, it's wrong but works, 0 6 is still in the same way. In this case copy dot get or the found know what is my. I'm near, but que estoy mal. This case need to put the new word. Still 1669. Okay, I will continue in another session. I am near. I know